Marley. Nah, don't do a Marley.
I know Lucas just gave up.
Alright, ready? Go.
Oh!
You're done. You about to choke.
He got a big mouth.
No swallow.
He about to eat it in. He about to beat the world record.
Hurry up. I can put this on YouTube.
Come on, actually, Larry.
I know who can do it.
Who? Hawk? Just because it's fat.
You're at 30 seconds. 30 seconds has elapsed.
You gotta get this
And you have to clear your tongue.
You can't lick them.
Well, I mean, like, no saltine crackers.
What's that, 10 seconds? 13.
You got saltine crack on your beard.
Whoa. What happened? 10 seconds.
Got him, coach.
Dummy.
Yeah.